Hello and welcome to this channel. My name is Canon and this is a space where I try to make sense of my creative passions and help you do the same. So in today's video, I actually want to talk about 3 or 4 ways that I have made some income on the side as a creative that have helped support my main source of income, and I am still working towards this passive income thing. But these are just a few things that I've done and hopefully might inspire you if you're just getting started, whether you're trying to get your business off the ground or you have a full-time income but you just want to make that extra cash. Now, the first way I started making some income on the side was by freelancing my web design services. Eventually, freelancing became my bread and butter for 2 years, but in the beginning, I was just making little by little. Freelancing is a great way to build your portfolio, to work part-time or full-time. Obviously, you're gonna have to put some work into it in the beginning, but there are so many services that you can provide online. You don't have to be a designer to be able to start freelancing. You can also offer copywriting services or social media marketing, virtual assistants. There are a ton of different things that you can do to make money as a freelancer. Sorry, I just had to So yeah, although freelancing became my main source of income for 2 years, it's definitely something that can be part-time and it can also be full-time. Really depends on what you want to get out of it. I have made money through affiliate marketing by sharing affiliate links in my blog posts, and specifically for blog posts where I review a product or service. As you may have heard before, passive income is not exactly passive in that you do have to put in a lot of upfront work to be able to reap the benefits of affiliate marketing, for example, later on. But it's definitely something worth trying out if you're in it for the long run. Just to give you an example, let me show you a blog post that I wrote last year. It's called How to Start Generating Leads Today. And in this blog post, I basically reviewed an online quiz making software called Interact. So I am a member of the Interact affiliate program, and right now what you see is the dashboard for my account with Interact. Basically, this is where I go to check my monthly affiliate sales with Interact. And as you can see, this is how much I made in June, May, so on and so forth. I started making affiliate sales in June 2019. And as you can see, I made the most during these 2 months last year. I believe Interact promoted my blog post during that summer, and I also heavily pushed my blog post on Pinterest and promoted it there. So how much you make every month also kind of depends on how much you promote your blog post or your YouTube video, whatever you're using to share your affiliate link. So I use Pinterest in conjunction with Tailwind to drive traffic to my blog. And if I have any tips for you with regards to blogging and making money through affiliate marketing, is to review just one product or service in that blog post. Let me show you another example. So last year I graduated from an online UI design program called Career Foundry, and I decided to write a blog post about the program. So the deal is basically, if I tell my friends about Career Foundry and they successfully enroll, we will both be awarded 5% of the course amount. So what I did was I wrote my blog post and I shared my unique link, as you can see here. And if anyone signed up using my link, I would make 5% of the course amount. Here is a list of my referrals. You can see how much I've made since November 2019. And this is the total amount earned. Now keep in mind, every affiliate program is a little bit different. Here it says you can expect a payout around 3 months after the start date. So just know that even if you earn affiliate income, you might not be able to withdraw the amount you made right away. In this case, I have to wait 3 months after a student starts the course for me to actually withdraw the amount that I've earned. The blog posts that did best for me personally are the ones where I review just one course or one product, and those are the ones that consistently bring me income every month. If you're promoting multiple services or products in one blog post, what ends up happening is that you might confuse people and actually prevent them from making a decision on whether to buy something or not. So I definitely recommend sticking to one product or service if you're going to write a review in your blog post. The third side gig that I want to talk about that I have made some income from is digital products and courses. So the first digital product I made was this workbook called the Quarter Life Crisis Workbook, and I've actually made a few sales. Doesn't make me a ton of income at all, really nothing, but it's still something. And the workbook was pretty easy for me to make. It didn't take me that long, but a lot of thought went into it, and it is something that I promoted along with one of my blog posts. You can use services like Sendowl or Gumroad to sell your digital workbooks or digital products, and I can share the links with you in the description. I've also made digital products that I sell directly on my business website, one of them being a DIY Squarespace template. I can make another video where I show you how to make and sell your own Squarespace web design template, but that is definitely another way that you can make some money on the side. Obviously, designing your template takes some time, but if you're willing to put in that time, then it's something worth considering. I have also created an online course for podcasting, which you can check out, but I actually need to do some more promotion on that. I haven't made any income from that yet, but it's definitely something that people are checking out. So I'll update you on the progress of my online course. But digital products and courses are definitely another way you can make some income on the side. And as long as you invest some time into making that product or service upfront. Last but certainly not least, I have made side income from selling old clothes through TRADESY.com. I think there are other websites like this. For example, I've heard of ThredUp. I heard that one's a good platform to sell used clothes on. I don't do this as much anymore, especially considering the time that we're living in right now. But for a time, I would make some income unexpectedly. It was very unpredictable, but I would make some income from selling clothes online through TRADESY. If you have a lot of old sweaters or t-shirts that are still in good condition, but you never wear anymore and they're just collecting dust in your closet, then I highly recommend sorting through and posting those items online on a website like TRADESY. You'll be surprised how many people are actually interested in purchasing those used items, and you can definitely make some good cash from selling your clothes. So those are a few of the ways that I have made income on the side. I hope this video inspired you to also start making some passive income. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I can also make some more videos in the future about my side gigs and how I got started. So yeah, thanks for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one. And in the meantime, subscribe.